on to the light home review for the Fantasia 42-inch Phoenix ceiling fan. The Phoenix is one of Fantasia's contemporary design ceiling fans. It's not a traditional design, it's more modern looking. It's 42 inches in diameter, which means blade tip to blade tip, which means it's perfect for most rooms in the house. And it currently comes available in two colours. White comes complete with white blades, and antique brass comes complete with gloss mahogany blades. There are Phoenix dark oak blades available which you can request, and you can change blade colours within the Phoenix range. The box itself measures 55 by 28 by 28 centimetres and weighs about 9 kilos if you're thinking of shipping it. The fan itself is a lightweight kind of fan. It's 7.1 kilos approximately, so it's perfect for installation in bedrooms and places like that. It comes with a 10-year motor manufacturer's warranty and also comes with a remote control. So what we'll do, we'll crack it open, we'll have a little look at the bits and pieces, and we'll show you the Phoenix fan working. With all Fantasia fans, just cut the tape on the box, being careful not to catch the blades that are underneath the middle. And as with all Fantasia fans, you get your full set of manufacturer instructions. There are digital copies of that on our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/lighterhome. And as always, the first thing you usually see is the pack of blades. This is the gloss mahogany blades, and they've put the piece of card down there to protect in case you do nick the blade with the knife when opening. So that's the blades. You get all the standard parts you would expect. You get your Fantasia warranty card, which you can send off in the post, or you can register your fan on our Facebook page. Ceiling fan hanging bracket. Now the Phoenix is a drop rod fan, comes with a small drop rod, and that is the actual bracket itself that attaches to the ceiling. Boss cover, which slides down and just covers up all the little attachments that make it look a little bit unattractive, so it covers it up to make it look nice. Remote control. Now the Phoenix is a remote control ceiling fan. In that pack is the receiver unit, which you fit into the top of the fan when you're installing, or if your electrician is installing. We have a video that shows you how to do that. And the handset. Now the Phoenix can control the light by remote control, it can control 3 speeds by remote control. The light and the fan do work independently from each other, and you can dim the light up and down as well with the handset from the remote control. Halogen bulbs. The Phoenix uses G9 halogen bulbs. There are 2 of them in the light set, and you can replace those with LEDs if they're good quality LEDs that have been approved by Fantasia. Once we get to the second tray at the bottom of the box, we see all the other parts that come with the Phoenix fan. We'll start with the little 4-inch drop rod that you get. It's already fitted with its ball joint on, already fitted with a split pin and bolt. We do have a separate video explaining how to fit a fan with a drop rod, but the instructions fully explain how to do that. Little boss cover, that actually fits down the drop rod. Covers up all the kind of unnecessary parts that you don't really want to see to make the fan look attractive. Top plate, which fits to the ceiling, covers up the attachment to the ceiling, basically fits over the top of the hanging bracket, which I showed you a moment ago, making that look attractive. Glass cover, the part that actually covers up the bulbs under the ceiling fan. This is made of glass, can break, but it is fully replaceable. Both Lighter Home and Fantasia hold spare stock of this replacement Phoenix cover, so if you need one, then just give us a call. Telephone number is 024 7671 7043. Put that down there like that. Self-balancing kit. As always, Fantasia gives every fan a self-balancing kit. It's unusual for you to have a wobble on the ceiling fan, but if you do, you can rectify it with the kit. That's the screw pack. It has in there the fixtures to the ceiling and all the bolts you would need as well to attach the fan blades to the fan itself. Put this bit out. There we go. They are the blade carriers, or the blade arms. They actually fit around the motor and the blades fit onto the blade arms. This is obviously the antique brass version of the Fantasia Phoenix ceiling fan. Like that. And the last thing, the heaviest part as you'd expect, the motor housing. I'll put the box there like so, put the motor housing down. I can take it out of its bag for you. There. So as I mentioned, this is the antique brass Phoenix. That is the motor housing. We've got the cables that come out of the top. They're colour coded, so you can attach them to the relevant cables coming out of the receiver unit for the remote control. They're the same colour, it's quite simple, but the instructions are very thorough as well. Your drop rod attaches to there, up to the ceiling, and at the bottom, there are two lamp holders for our G9 bulbs, whether they're halogen or LED. The blade carriers fit around with the blades on, and the glass fits on top. So the Phoenix fan is a quality unit. It is a contemporary design, and if we look at the top of the unit, we can see their reverse. There's a little switch there. If you wanted to recirculate your central heating, hot air trapped at ceiling level in the winter and autumn, you could set the fan into reverse mode by flicking that switch, and it will force down that hot air back up. So in effect, it'll actually slightly warm the room. So that is the Fantasia Phoenix fan. It's been around quite a long time, but it's been around for a long time because it's a quality unit. It looks good, it kicks out a lot of air. It would be unusual if you needed to use the high speed on the Phoenix. That would be for a very hot time in the summer. Usually medium and slow speed will do the trick on a Phoenix fan. But yeah, it's one of the Fantasia's most popular models. The remote control handset will control the light on the actual ceiling fan. If you press the button in once, it will bring the light on. Press it again, it will turn it off. You can also dim the light. If you press the light button on and keep the button depressed, the light will cycle down to 10%, and you can let go of the button at any point at the light level that you require. You can also bring it back up to 100% by doing the opposite. The fan will always come on at the light level you leave it at. The handset also allows you to activate the speeds of the ceiling fan. There are 3 buttons on the handset, low, medium and high. If you press the low button, which is marked with an L, then the fan will activate into low mode. Low mode is perfect for night times, if it's in a bedroom above a bed. It gives out very little noise from the air movement. There is zero noise from the actual motor itself. If you press the M on the handset, then the fan will start to move into medium speed. Medium speed is also suitable for night times as it's still a comfortable kind of setting. You don't have to choose low speed to medium to high, you can choose whichever speed you want to with the handset. You can start in high speed, press the button for high and the fan will work its way up and come on at high speed. Even in high speed with maximum air movement flowing, you can see that the Phoenix is an incredibly balanced fan. This is a signature of Fantasia ceiling fans. It doesn't matter what speed they're running at, they're always very, very stable. If this video has been useful and informative for you, then please like it. Thank you.